Namaste. We are all living a life of very high expectations. Everything revolves around our opinions, our likes, and our expectations. We think it is alright to expect from our family, friends, colleagues, and everyone else. You should treat me like this. You should behave like this. You should love me like this. So everyone has to fulfill our expectations. The tragedy is the other persons also feel and want the same. They also have very high expectations from us. Ultimately, nobody has peace of mind. Peace begins only when expectation comes to an end. Everyone is unique and everyone is different. Each person has his or her own taste, temperament, and special characters. Still, we want everyone to be like us, to behave like us, and to think like us. When they don't meet our expectations, we think we are right and they are wrong. We ask, "You are very strange. You are weird. Why are you like this?" That person also asks us, "What's wrong with you?" So, our expectations build conflict upon conflict. Finally, a relationship comes to an end. Why should I meet your expectation? And why should you meet my expectations? Bruce Lee correctly said, "I am not in this world to live up to your expectation, and you are not here to meet my expectations. Accept the people as they are. Allow them to be different from you. Then only peace is possible in your life." Most of our expectations are unrealistic. We want perfect spouse, perfect children, perfect boss. They can exist only in your imagination. Including us, no one is perfect. Yet we all expect perfection from others unconsciously. You may say, "I love him, I love her. That's why I expect." You may say, true love always accepts the people as they are, and it never expect anything in return. You may say, "I love my children. I want this for their benefit only, for their good only." But you forget that all changes should be initiated in heart only. Inwardly, they also want the same. People change only on their terms, not ours. So, if we want our children to change, advise them, be a living example to them, make them to realize the truth. and give them time to change. The change will happen only gradually. Have patience. You cannot force the things. If you force them, they may act or they may cheat. When you happen to know the truth, you will get more hurt. People are at different stages of development, mentally and maturity wise also. You cannot expect them to be where you are or where you want them to be. Everyone has their own pace of life. Everything has to happen naturally and you cannot force anything. When your life revolves around you, you will lose peace of mind. It will not allow you to accept the people as they are. You will miss simple pleasures of life. Stop your expectations. If you cannot stop entirely, remember these truths and begin to reduce your expectations gradually. Stephen Hawking once said, "My expectations reduced to zero when I was 21. Everything else since then has been a bonus to me." Why can't you follow him? Let's explore one more way of achieving peace next Wednesday. Thank you.